Hello, everyone. I just wanted to welcome to Research Methods for Criminal Justice. So the class starts this week. Take this week, make sure you get the book, make sure you're up and running on Plato here. Definitely go to the Start Here folder first. You get a little bit about the class and how it's set up into weeks. If you're on campus, you go to stop by. I have office hours Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I have the syllabus here, which you definitely take a look at. The syllabus gives you an idea of the workload, grading, all my information up here, what we'll be studying, the requirements. So the requirements basically go down to class participation, which would be the discussion boards, questions that'll be posted each week in the folder. You have 2 homeworks, a midterm, a final, and then a research proposal. I have the grading chart here just because this is a required CJ class, so you do need to get a C- for it to count for the CJ program, so keep that in mind. The weekly calendar is set up here, so this week we're just getting introduction to the course, and we'll dive into theory. You can see causation, concepts, measurements all the way through. Midterm, first part of the research proposal, which we'll talk about. Spring break, second homework, and then already we're into April here, and you'll have the second part of the research proposal and then the final. The outline for the research proposal, and this is a lot for, first week class here, but it is here, so you can take a look at it. It's divided in half, where the homeworks that are assigned throughout the semester will set you up for this, so you won't be tackling this without any prep here. The first homework will have you start thinking about a topic, and you're going to have to start looking for research articles at the library related to your topic. And that's what you're going to do in the first part of the paper. It's essentially doing a literature review, and that's where you review the past research on your topic. The second part of the research proposal that's due at the end of the semester is where you actually describe how you would go about collecting data to answer your hypothesis. And this is all the type of stuff that we'll be learning throughout the semester, so this will be make more sense as we get into class. So take a look here. If you have any general questions for class, you can post them here. Ask Professor Kudlak. You guys can talk, chat, or do what you like in the student lounge. If you need to get to me right away, there is an email system in here, and I do check it, but you can also send an email to my Westfield account, and I probably check that a little bit more frequently. So if it's something important, just send it to the ckudlak@westfield.ma.edu, or there is the email system in here. So when you get to week one's set up pretty much as the rest of the weeks are. You're going to have lectures. So if you click on any of these here, you'll get a lecture on the material. Make sure you read the material though too, which would definitely help. So chapter 1 will be this first week, and then there's 2 lectures here. I put the syllabus here again. There's also the PowerPoint, which the PowerPoint's in these lectures here, but if you just want the notes, they're there. And then there's 2 discussion board questions, so questions that you have to answer, and you also need to respond to other students' answers as well. And each week will be set up in a similar fashion. Here's week 2. I'll give you the homework, and then you got some lectures, and there'll be another discussion board. There's an article we're going to be reading, and you can get a little sense. Pretty much all the weeks are going to be set up in a similar fashion. Okay, so I just want to give you a little brief introduction to the class and to myself. Feel free, if you are on campus, to stop by or to send me an email if you have any questions about class. Otherwise, just make sure you keep up on the work, readings, the lectures, looking at the notes week by week, and you shouldn't have a problem getting through the class. All right, so good luck with the new semester, and let me know if you're having any problems. Take care.